what you're going to take next is a black striper, and you're going to create the zebra stripes that you see across the middle there. You're going to start from about halfway up and just start making them across the nail. Depending on how long your nail is, it will depend on how many of these you'll actually fit in. Generally I get about 5 in on mine. Then what you want to do is take some white. I'm going to pop in this nail wheel here. Dotting tool and start to create the leopard print. Then when you're happy with that, you want to take some black. Now you can use the striper for this if you want. I just preferred for this kind of effect I'm going to use the smallest dot tool, using one that's got kind of a point on it. And I'm going to go around the leopard. Just want to pop a couple of dots in between just to fill the empty spaces and add a bit more to the design. You just want to make little C shapes. Generally as you're doing this, you never want to complete. To finish this design off, I'm actually going to use a matte top coat, which will look like that. I'm not sure if the camera's going to pick up the matte.